Most people open Google Analytics, then close it because it's overwhelming. Here's the 5-minute Monday routine that makes your website data actually useful. The reason this only takes 5 minutes? Monster Insights puts everything you need in one dashboard. Step 1. Open your overview report. One screen. Did anything move since last week? That's your only question. Step 2. Check your traffic sources. Then check your top search terms right in the same dashboard. No second login, no leading WordPress. Step 3. Find your best page. Look for strong traffic and a low bounce rate. That's the page you build on this week. Step 4. Check your conversions and cart abandonment, side by side, one dashboard. Step 5. Log what happened in site notes, right under your traffic graph. Future you will thank you when a spike shows up 3 months from now. Google Analytics and Search Console feel like too much? This ritual only takes 5 minutes because Monster Insights already did the hard part. Try Monster Insights free, link below, and subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks.